Freedom Induction is a state-of-the-art induction cooktop. Thermador's induction cooktop is very reactive when adjusting to give you precise temperature control. It's amazing how fast it boils water.
The induction cooktop features the largest fully usable cooking surface area on the market within its class.
You can have up to 6 pots on a 36-inch and place the pots anywhere on the cooktop. When selecting a cooking position and power level, the cooktop must be turned on. Place the cookware on the cooking surface. Touch the circle symbol for the cooking position on the touchscreen display. Scroll up with your finger and select the power level you require. Keep scrolling until you find your power level and tap. The power level is set.
Thermador calls it the Freedom Induction, and it is a perfect name because you have the freedom to cook anywhere on the cooktop. You can slide, move the pans, whatever size of pans.
Unlike other cooktops where you have dedicated spots where you can only cook, like for example, they might have 4 round circles or maybe 5 round circles and the pot has to go there. But with the induction cooktop, you can move it anywhere you want. You have the freedom to shift your pots and pans around to wherever you like, and the cooktop recognizes where the pan moves and it will heat it up right there.